When it's time to travel places, cleaning is undoubtedly the major segment of it. Though I was prepping my car, my mind was recollecting the plans I made for the day. Soon, we were rolling. Our plan was to visit and give ourselves up to the nature, so we found a viewpoint on the way to Kailasagiri. The variety of plants and bush along the way guided us to the spectacular view of the Bay of Bengal. The sight of the sea from the hill made us eager to explore rest of the hill. The efforts of the Visakhapatnam Development Authority is definitely appreciable. The place is well maintained and has many concrete mole benches under the trees to relax. The park is situated on a hilltop and it is one of the prime attractions and a popular picnic spot. While enjoying fresh breeze, greenery and beautiful views around the place, it was time to go on a ride in a toy train. Eventually, our short journey began. Spread over 100 acres, this place offers a wide view of its surroundings. Many emotions arise by seeing the variety of intense vegetation and the appealing landform. Among those emotions, happiness prevailed. Undoubtedly, this place offers striking views from many locations. View of the sea, city, and especially extension of sea into indentation of the coast is extremely impressive. Next up was to check out the aerial transportation, the conveyor ropeway. After descending the hill and before we lost the daylight, we started towards Totlakonda beach. We were very much eager to visit the beach, and the road by the sea made it much more exciting. With very less time in hand, we hurried. Totlakonda falls on the way to Bhimli from Visakhapatnam. This road also leads to Rishikonda and naturally formed amazing red sand dunes. At last, we reached the beach. Because of its rocky nature, this seashore looked very different than other famous ones out there. My little guide helped me reach the water. With soft sand and fascinating rock formation, this beach is an ideal place to relax. You rule the raging of the sea. When the waves thereof arise, you still them.